Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
This is a request from the Office of the District Election. Tani kalong kajikrupat ng Office of District Election Officer.
Uba pencengan Syiem ubade UMDC ke penthor Umkra constituency bad ubade ukertong ke seng Kongres ulang bakanu ke bala thmu ha ke jingem kade ke ba e henry kanu jing e ru ha ban tre shitom ban weng ya ka ha bakran jikilat pathai khubor hadian bulami na kaslam thap kerteng ke jong u ha ka office tre kam u deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills district ulang ban penrem ya unu kertong na kate ke constituency kam de ke basuk Henry hab ban tre shitom haringkat ke jing tre nang bat ki pat ba nong kersan jong u
Ini kebentarung pra ayo bagi slogan di Pak minta kalau nak kebentangan roi depan. Dari pikiran jiri berarti nalan, dilanti kesengkin. Pada piang jiri ke Umdih, menjuru dari pikiran jiri berarti full samlan. Dan kami ke playground. Nang tagi babun ki samla ki batre ki kam babar. Dan kami ki kam ki tre ki bagi nalaban ki seperang. Natrai ki bun ki isu ki haban. Pengen pernah adu benta kemudian nanggung single college tu, abang itu kan ada ban upgrade di situ dia high secondary school kumti college. Nang bakal dia sebut nama kan kan berdua besok, nak bentakan ban college. Kebun tu iki isu.
Mungkin anda yang hak kena playground kemudian college. Hendak putar muka kena kita akan aja bentuk ikan beraya.
Kanu ke bayang ibu kan kecil ya. Kalau kanu ke kecil ada ladang ini terisi tam kanam don dia. Ini kemudian sekarang nak lagi di situ ini. Kebun ini konsumsi dengan good fight. Ini nama benda kata melin dengan good fight. Ada yang ramai orang ini good fight. Mayat negara ini good fight. Kebun ini konsumsi dengan good fight. Ini seperti kanu nama buat kamu ya. Sembol kanu nama buat sembol kamu ya. Kebun kita kanu ini because of now I think you can see the crowd. The people of Pynïoh, the slogan is very simple. That is for development of Pynïoh, for a new change, together for a better tomorrow. Adon gajing government, nak bentar nation. As of now, we do not have proper drainage system. We do not have good footpath road communications. We do not have even water supply also is not sufficient. For youth, we don't have even youth sport infrastructure. No single playground, no single indoor sport complex. Something has to be done. So I hope that if the people vote for me, then I will work for the people in regards to development.
So do you think that it will be easy for you to unseat 5-time legislator of Mawpat?
There is nothing easy, but we have to work very hard, along with the people, along with my leaders and my supporters.
Habakali halor kumnu unong hakabaya day bat perukom tre kam jong unomi khamat kathan katau ba el hek uba pencengan loong bak penthor Umkra hadu menta kadang duna bha ka roi kapar baulati kana bagi pat ba kathan kin vuat u halor ka we kamat pat kata ka de ban wanra yang roi kapar hapo kathan pat haka jalahi baro ka we
Sitting with just see as I told you, as of now we are very less in development. So I think people will vote for me on their single agenda, that is for development, not only for the Pynïoh, but for the state as a whole. I think you understand as of now, the state needs good legislator who understand to make policy, who understand to make laws and regulation, because our growth it depends on the policy making and law making. See the new entrants, I think you know them very well. They are so competent, they are so potential. Hope few of them, many of them, they will win this election. I think we will have a very good legislator so that the Meghalaya can progress through policy making and law making.
We've seen the nephew of the sitting legislator is also contesting. So do you think that this will really affect the prospect of Bahrain?
See, I cannot say anything on his contesting during this election because I told you, it totally depends how I work. At the same time, my people work hard to make sure that we should win this election. Because I told you, it totally depends how I work. At the same time, my people work hard to make sure that we should win this election.
How do you see the performance of the MDA government?
I think people know better the performance of the MDA government.
How many seats the Congress is expecting to win?
Many seats.
Give us a number.
I will not give because, as I told you, it depends on our strategies, how we work, how we propose. We have 20 days to face the polling day. So we have many days, so we can change the strategy. We can win many more.
But the Congress is going to this election without any sitting legislator. What do you have to say?
I think I will remind you, PDF has no single legislator during that time. Yes, only me as the sitting, but we win 4 of them. I think if I remind you, NPP, they have only 2 MLAs, if I'm not wrong. Then in the election they get 20 plus. So we have no problem. It depends on the quality of the candidates and the ideology of the party that people vote for the party.
Halor ka jing kerdu ombam Umdih hakathan Mawpat uba pensengan uloang baka jing bo Mawnongrim na kabentaban Pynïoh Mawpat kalong Arsien menta bat kipat ba kim don shu kanu ka jing snow scam ha ka baya day bat kania bala daw yo ya ka jing job un pen orlong ya kani hapo ka sansnem.
Ini nama kajing bu Mawnongrim ya ko Mawpat ka di Arsien menta kipat ba na try kim don shu kanu ka Jesus scam panggoy ka Jesus scam nangay bala nga job ngaraban ko dulong hapo sansnem.
Kadu kanu taray kan long kabasuk ipi ban on seat yo MLU bamanta wala job ado sansin.
Kanu long basok tang bangong ibi hap restam nang bagi po ya katong ban job. Ipat ba kita tambah natay ka sa bahay ng appeal. Ada people boundary ni feel. Aji dia ka revenue financial position juga state ni feel. But kita pun issue. Kalau ono dar ka feel, kita pun issue.
Ini ki scheme TMC bakular ban ai ginong kuno ba di youth di don yu ban.
Iya ban kula scheme tang job job election job kan ngur kam dei besuk. Kan bahabej ba show. Ong ibai ba bangi persang ban lek kata tande ban suku kular kam nong besuk.
Hoi 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 hoi. Hoi 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 hoi. Hoi aga TMC si Turki sentil di kalayaban penai. Hoi aga TMC si Turki sentil di kalayaban tingkai. Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela. Kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela. Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela. Kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela.